Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are guys doing great and fantastic today. As you guys know, I am Ikra LinkedIn Wali, head of interview department at Rehan Foundation, and I started AI teacher training course. So today my task is related to TED Talk. So today I have a TED Talk and the speaker name is Eric Tropol. So today we have a topic which is related to AI, that how can AI help us in medical in hospitals. So you know what, Eric Topol share a story and share the view and share his view that AI is very important in medical because AI can analyze the data and help in to carry the heavy task related to analyzing the data and to take care of the patient. So it helps the doctor because if AI did these things which takes a lots of time, if AI can help us and take care a lots of heavy data and work on this data, analyzing the data and managing the reports, so the doctors have more time to spend with patients, so doctor can take care of patients more and connects with them. And the patient wants to connect with doctors, and to the patient needs empathy, so the doctor have more time to spend with the patient, and it's a very good thing. And obviously AI can analyze the data and scans. You know what, if AI will be do this work, so the doctor connects more with patient, so the doctor can help the patient and doctor can connect emotionally. So it's a very good thing to do in today's era, and it's a very wonderful thing to connect with the patient, and the doctor and the patient connectivity is very important.